Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a request from a community member and her name is Stephanie and she writes, "Hello Miss Planet, hi Stephanie. My fiance is currently serving in the Peace Corps, that's awesome, and I'm fumbling through planning my wedding on my own. We are doing an old Hollywood theme with the color scheme of purple and black. I'm trying to get an early start, that's my girl, since I'll be doing most of it by myself to save money. I would love to do something like this chandelier with feathers on top for our centerpieces. Can you please help me figure out how to do this without breaking the budget? I love your videos and knew you would be perfect at this. Thank you very much, Steph." Well, Steph, I am so proud of you for getting an early start because you can purchase the supplies to create the centerpieces in sections. You don't have to go and just buy it all at one time. You can take one section at a time, and that's going to save you a lot of money and allow you to take advantage of those sales. So that's my girl. Very proud of you. So I'm so excited to show you how easy it is to create this tall Hollywood glam centerpiece. All right, guys, are you ready? Let's get started. So our first step is going to be to apply our glitter to our 3 structural pieces, our 4-inch foam piece, our 6-inch styrofoam piece, and finally our 20-inch Eiffel Tower vase. And we're going to be using our tried and true Mod Podge to attach it. Remember, you do not need to attach your glitter to the bottom of your foam pieces because they will be either attaching to our vase or on top of another foam piece. So don't waste that glue and don't waste that glitter on the bottom of the foam pieces. So before we apply our glitter to our 6-inch foam piece, we're going to make an indentation using the rim of our Eiffel Tower base on what's going to be the bottom of our foam. That way, we can easily attach the foam piece after the glitter has set. If you're concerned about the glitter flaking off, spray it with clear coat acrylic paint and that should solve the problem. Now that our base construction is complete, it's time for the fun stuff. You're going to cut your glitter trim at about 24 inches long, and then you're going to cut at least 50 strands of your gem diamond garland, and you're going to attach it and make sure they're about 22 to 24 inches long. That way you can have that puddling effect at the bottom of your vase. And you're going to attach each one of them with a dab of hot glue. When you're finished, this is what the diamonds look like. Well, you know what they say, diamonds are a girl's best friend. Next, you're going to attach your diamond embellishment to your 6-inch styrofoam disc with hot glue. And you're just going to roll it a little bit at a time. Let's now attach our Eiffel Tower base. We're just going to put a dab of hot glue in our indentation that we created earlier in the bottom of our 6-inch foam, and then simply place the base in there, making sure that it's level with our wonderful little level, adjusting it where it needs to be while the glue is still not set. So we created our garland effect to overlap about a quarter of the way across. So we're going to use that overlap to go ahead and cut our cascading effect. And it really depends on you. You can make it short to long. I've made mine kind of medium to long, but it's really up to you. If you make it shorter, it'll be more evident in your centerpiece. Here's a couple little quick tips. If you're finding that your feathers are not fanning out like you would desire, remove them and place them into the foam at a more distinct diagonal, and that should solve the problem. And I always say, take a step back, see if you like it. If you don't, guess what? It's styrofoam. Just pull it out and reattach them in the manner that is really fitting the look that you're going for. You can do this, guys. Trust yourself. Well, Stephanie, what do you think? If this is not old Hollywood glam, then I don't know what is. I absolutely love it. It's going to be stunning at your wedding reception, and I would love to see a picture of your finished product, so be sure to post it on one of our social medias. We'd love to see it. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every single week. And if you want a special notification, click on that little bell right there down there in the corner, and you'll get a special notification right from us the moment the video is live. You can also send us a comment or just send us some words of encouragement, and we're always here to answer your question. I personally answer the questions. I know I don't get to them as fast as I would like to, but I promise you, I do answer them. So just be patient and you will get your answer. And I just want to thank all of you who just go on to comment to tell us that you love us and to send us words of encouragement. They really help us a lot. You can also follow us on our social media platforms, and they are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Ebates rebate account, what are you waiting for? Especially with the holidays coming up. Don't miss out on this free money. It's very simple. The link to sign up is in the description below, and you sign up. When you're ready to shop online, sign on to your Ebates account, find your vendors, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. And don't forget, check out our MissPlanIt shop. We have some awesome planning guides and planning tools in there for you, and we would love for you to try them out. Tell us what you think about them, and just support us. We appreciate that. So head on over there and check out our MissPlanItshop.com. In addition to that, if you haven't checked out our free DIY home channel on our website, MissPlanIt.com, head on over there, click on the little icon in the corner if you would like, where you can just hang out with me as I create projects for my home as well as my family and friends. And right now I'm working on decking the halls of my own home for Christmas. So check us out. And if you want to hang out some more, I would be so happy to have you. Well, that brings us to an end. This has been a wonderful time, and time always goes by way too fast. Don't forget that the links to the supplies for this project as well as all of our projects are in the description below. You have the links to the supplies as well as the project cost so that you can plan and budget, because we all know when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. So until next week, take care, see you soon, God bless.